Thank you. I actually have two awesome partnerships here with me. I have Nitish and Ashwini, I have Leander and Mahesh. So Leander and Mahesh, it's actually 22 years since that awesome win when you had the entire nation applauding you. So your fans were really, really excited that come the 1st of October, we have another match, this time breakpoint with the two of you. So what was your reaction when Nitish and Ashwini both came to you wanting to make the series on the two of you and your partnership?
I think for us, we've been approached multiple times before, obviously, both individually and collectively. So when we heard rumors that Nitish sir and Ashwini were interested in doing it, obviously, Leander and me had some serious conversations of, maybe it's time to finally consider telling the story, because we have, the top pedigree of storytellers to be able to tell it, independently and passionately. And obviously that's what got us very excited to agree to finally do this. And I think we're glad we did.
Yes, Leander.
So as much as we have been, getting a few offers individually or as a team to make a feature film on our story,
getting a few offers individually
or
as a team
over 10-15 years
to make a feature film on our story.
The story is just so large, over 10-15 years, that to capture it in a 90-minute feature film or in a 2-hour feature film would not do justice. Also, I believe that when you're trying to create magic, you need the right team.
When you're trying to create magic, you need the right team.
Nitish
and Ashwini Iyer and
as much as it's their first mixed doubles duo combination in directing together,
the
way that they have stitched together the nuances of human emotion
from different
perspectives
and told it from different perspectives
has been wonderful. I feel that the fact that we've not taken actors to actually play our roles, play our parents' roles, play our opponents' roles, play our coaches' roles, makes the story very raw,
makes the story very raw.
Through all the episodes, you're going to see not just how champions are built, but also how champions can also be vulnerable. And how we can accept our vulnerability.
And how we can accept our vulnerabilities.
How we could have done it
differently,
hindsight being
how we could have done it differently,
even now it's been a great healing to actually even now it's been a great healing to actually visit certain issues that we've not visited over 20 years.
And that was just through the makings of Breakpoint.
So the real reason I did Breakpoint was to inspire a whole generation of youngsters. We've got 745 million
youngsters under the age of 26.
And if we can inspire that next generation, that if these two young Indian boys can win Wimbledon, conquer a white man's world in
the field of tennis,
then even we can be champions too.
And you both actually have been the story of inspiration and aspiration, I would say. But Ashwini and Nitish, this is the first time you have come together on directing. So how did this idea, and also Ashwini and Nitish, our two champs here. So what were the challenges in front of you in telling the story? Because it's not regularly like a sports drama. We see actor ne kar liya, applause mil gaya, ye hoga trajectory, and this is how it's going to end.
Yeah, so the biggest challenge was that how do you tell it in an interesting and engaging manner and keep all the emotions intact, and at the same time present the most authentic side to the story from the point of view of a fan as well as a common friend. And that is exactly what we have tried to achieve. And that is precisely the reason why Leander just told that we have not only taken their point of views, we have taken point of views of the families, friends, rivals, other partners, sports journalists, Indian legends, coaches, trainers, everyone, so that you get to hear all sides of any particular incident which may have happened. So that is what made it extremely challenging. Working with Ashwini has never been challenging. We've known each other for very long now, and we have worked with each other in different capacities in agencies also. And we know how to divide responsibilities. You know, it's just like raising kids, you know. This is also kind of our baby only. So like Ashwini says, maths or science tum samalo, arts, English or social science main samalti hu. Out here also are also clearly divided. You know, ye department tum samalo, ye department main samalti hu. So there was never any overlap or any problem as such. So we had a solid understanding. But yes, you know, this probably was very challenging because we had to do a lot of homework. We couldn't randomly walk into it saying ki jo milega dekhte hain. We first had very, very long sessions with both Lee and Hesh, and then with both of them together. So based on that, we made our notes. And based on those notes, we went out doing our preparation. And based on our preparation, we went out and conducted our shoot and everything. So it has been a very thorough homework done approach, which we have followed. And the fruits of that, you know, the sweet fruit of that is going to be very soon out there for you guys to see it.
Just waiting to watch it. Yes, Ashwini. I know he's promised to introduce you to Roger Federer also. I know that. Maybe that was also one way.
That Lee has promised me. So that I think that is going to have more traction now. No, but honestly, it was very important to tell their story. And when we got this opportunity to narrate their story in their own words, there was a kind of challenges because first of all, it was during the pandemic, and secondly, it was how do we write something which we have never done before. Also, if it was like a film, then you know that there's a structure, and then you kind of do your one-liners, and from the one-liners, then you get do the dialogues, and then you get here the dialogues were unknown, but you could at least do a structure. And we didn't want to do something which is like literally in the unknown. We wanted to present a story of two individuals who did a lot for our country, who were the best champions in the world of tennis, doubles champions in the world of tennis. And at the same time, there is a human side to it. It's just not about the sport. There's a human side to it. And how we as storytellers, along with our creative director and co-writer, Piyush Gupta, we wanted to tell a story which has a human side to it. And that's what we were trying to achieve through the process. It was a long process. I think this is one of the most difficult and challenging projects we have handled, right, in terms of writing to terms of even getting so many people across the world to tell their story in their own point of view. And it's all real. So there's nothing hidden. So that's where it is. So then how do you put that? How do you put a beginning, middle, and end in that is what we have tried to achieve.
And Leander and Mahesh, as she rightly said, larger than life in the spotlight. Your bromance, I would say, on court was legendary, whether it was the chest bump. I mean, you were followed. I mean, as you said, you were the idols for a generation. And when you decided to part ways, many a heart was broken. But you were both very candid on, about your differences. But when you see your life in flashback, as it would have happened with this, were there some moments that came back and you said, wish I had done this differently, something that made you smile or something that made you sad?
Yeah, I think, reliving the last 20-year journey over the last 18 months for us as we helped making this, I think, was pretty surreal. I think, for me, the excitement of watching a lot of footage of the old matches that we played, which I had never seen before, still gave me goosebumps. Obviously, in retrospect, could we have done a few things differently? Could we have played a few matches differently? Could we have won a few matches that we shouldn't have lost? So, I mean, hindsight is 20/20, but we were young. We were, we had the world at our feet. We were successful. So, I think we're still very proud of all we were able to achieve together.
Yes, Dan.
I feel that going through the process of making Breakpoint was a great healing process also, because there were some stories that and some conversations that Mahesh and myself have not addressed in 20 years. So coming now, you know, a little wiser, a little with a little more maturity, as hindsight is 2020, we were able to laugh at ourselves a little more. We were able to address certain issues and say, "Tune kya kiya, maine kya kiya, shayad ye alag hota to kya hota." You know, and I think that one of the takeaways that I have from this is that if at that point we had someone with a little more wisdom of life, if someone had a little more experience of dealing with how to communicate better through all of that, maybe we could have played a few more years together. Absolutely. But I feel like at the end of the day, achieving so much success, as much as we worked so hard to win Wimbledon and get to #1 in the world, that we forgot to plan for what after winning Grand Slams, what would come after being #1 in the world. And maybe that we could have done differently.
And before I come to Nitesh and Ashwini, your fans have asked me to ask you 2 questions. Most memorable moment, a moment that you regret, and what makes for a great
most memorable win.
Memorable moment, a moment you regret, and what makes for a great partnership.
I think most memorable moment would definitely be the Wimbledon win in '99. That is obviously, I think, the highlight of our career. Regret would be the Olympics in Athens, when we came, you know, painfully close and didn't come back with a medal. And I think any great partnership is made when 2 or more people get to complement each other, you know, amplify each other's strengths and make up for each other's weaknesses, which I think we did really well.
Yeah, and what about you?
1999, getting to all 4 Grand Slam finals and then winning 2 Grand Slams within a month of each other, the French Open and Wimbledon, is definitely the highlight. To be able to come good of a dream that I had when I was 16 years old and Mahesh was 15 years old, to achieve that, which is winning Wimbledon, is definitely the high. The low for me through our career would have been Delray Beach. I feel that when you look at that episode and see what went down there, our relationship broke down off the court, and we are still #1 in the world. But really, the takeaway from all of this is that 2 brothers will have ups and downs. Yeah. 2 brothers will have the greatest highs and the lowest lows. But yet, Mahesh knows that if he needs anything, I'm always here for him. And I know the same for him. If I need something, he's there for me. So that brotherhood always continues.
And what makes for a great partnership?
We complete each other.
Well said. Well said. And Ashwini and Nitesh, I want to ask you, I mean, as you were going through footage, their life, interacting with them, you know, it's the thing for many of us who haven't interacted with the real person, you know, they have the demigod-like status on court. And here, you know, I'm sure they were going through their own personal highs and lows. Here you are seeing them raw. What has happened in the past. What struck you about your 2 awesome characters, heroes here?
For me, it was like living their life through their eyes. You know, throughout the whole process, you know, I have laughed with them. I have also got teary-eyed with both of them. I also felt elated when they were talking about their victories. I also felt disappointed when they were talking about their differences. But most importantly, you know, both of them gave me, you know, that great belief, which I always believe in, that if you have it in you, what it takes, and if you believe in yourself, there is no stopping you. So I think these were my key takeaways from them. And I'm not getting into the challenges of the shoot and everything. I'm just talking purely from a human point of view, because that's exactly how we have kept the story. it is the human story and the human side of the two legends which we have in tennis.
Absolutely.
I have only one sentence to say that great sportsmanship also comes with a lot of discipline, but also there is a lot of human side to it, an emotional side to it. And the whole interaction with them for almost a year and a half, you could see that discipline there. So when you tell them, like, give them a time, then they are like there. And Mahesh, I know, would like do a complete to-do list and would like give us things. So, and in my mind, I was thinking, it's that hard work is what makes them what they are. And it doesn't come easy. It's not easy. It's it doesn't come overnight. And that rigor, that kind of hard work, when it's put out there with that persona, to see a human side is very different.
Absolutely. And last question before we go, it's to both Mahesh and to Lee. I'm sure they have been so close, observed each other so closely, know each other inside out. One thing about the other you want to tell fans who don't have any idea and it's not out in the open, since now it's all tell-all in Breakpoint. What is it that you want to tell us about the two of you? A quirk that you feel abhi tak nahi badla ye?
Well, we've kind of put that into the show. So I would actually tell fans to go and watch the show on October 1st. We don't want to let out too much before it releases.
Sure. You end up spill the beans.
Well, that's exactly it. All the beans have been spilled over many episodes. I think that if the fans go out and watch the show on ZEE5, and Ashwini and Nitesh Bhai have done a great job in depicting the different nuances of two young Indian boys who've conquered the world.
Nuances
and,
of
at the end there,
young Indian boys
right at the end, and I'm not going to give away much.
At the end there, right at the end, and I'm
It's
not
called
going to give away much.
Breakpoint. What was your Breakpoint moment, both of you? Since it's called Breakpoint, what was your Breakpoint moment, both of you?
I didn't really have a breakpoint moment. I mean, I think the break.
I didn't really have a breakpoint moment. I mean, I think the title.
We were trying to derive a connotation that kind of fitted with tennis. But
we were trying to derive a connotation.
I think the film kind of encapsulates
I think the film kind of
up to a certain point, and I think you guys should enjoy it.
Encapsulates the journey up to a certain point, and I think you guys should enjoy it.
The last 18 months making Breakpoint.
Last 18 months making Breakpoint
has been fantastic. Every one of those moments for all the people.
Every one of those moments for all the people behind the scenes.
Ashwini and Nitesh's team, whether it was Piyush, whether it was Varun, whether it is everybody behind the scenes,
whether it is
who made such a big difference on how this docu-series
such a big difference on how this docu-series
everyone at ZEE5,
everyone at ZEE5, a lot of gratitude to them.
Nimisha and the whole team
job and
believing in
a phenomenal job and believing in us.
I think fans will have a great time.
I think fans will have a great time watching Breakpoint.
Done our best and had a great time.
Done our best and had a great time making it.
Looking to it, as I said, I'm not a sports person, I'm not a sports person, but I watched every sports documentary. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to this. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to this. Bringing the two back again on court. Bringing the two back again on court. Thank you so much. Bye bye.